Hello, I'm Pal Bogar, founder and CEO of company sincroll. We are aiming for nothing less but to change the entire machine world by deploying our new gear technology in all machine industries. We start with electric vehicles first as a beachhead. Gears are critical elements of practically all machines, as they make the coupling between the power source, such as the engine of a car, and the application, such as the wheels of the car. Did you know that we have been using gears for 2000 years? Isn't it time to move on? Yes, it probably is, but the real problem is that conventional gears suffer from friction as the gear teeth slide on each other. And that really hurts, because friction causes a number of problems, such as higher energy costs, bigger carbon footprint, and shorter driving range, plus other nasty stuff. To solve these problems, we came up with a new technology that has zero friction and perfect 100% efficiency when modeling at perfect precision and rigidity. In practice, we expect to reach well over 99%. Here we use bows for coupling of the gear wheels that roll without friction along grooves on the wheels. This movie shows a solution for a 90-degree crossing axis gear, where the two wheels rotate at the same speed. The so-called gearing ratio is 1. But this is just one example. Here are a few further examples in the blue figure, including flat disc-like wheels for parallel axis, spherical wheels for crossing axis, and hyperbolical wheels for offset axis. We provide solutions for all possible specs, applications, and industries and cover the entire gear universe. This is true deep tech and a platform technology, a major paradigm shift in gear technologies after 2000 years. The technology offers other benefits besides efficiency that extend further its applicability. These include, for example, high precision and haptic control, crucial for robots. All our gears can be manufactured with standard CNC machines. Implementation hurdles include the incumbent tooth gear's long history and built-in production capacities. Also fear of disruption and first movers risk aversion. We can respond to these. For example, with so many markets, as in our case, we can choose the ones with the lowest hurdles, as we did with EVs. We can also use transfer fee pricing to help first movers. We have a wide-scoped patent for the core technology granted in 13 countries. Freedom to operate is in place. We are not a spin-off, there are no other owners, and we do not depend on other IPs. In an aggressive IP strategy, we aim to submit 3 patents per year next 25 years, in several areas, including the core mechanism, applications, engineering, material type, and production technologies. Our know-how is rather complex. We believe it is practically impossible to reverse engineer it. It can be reinvented though, but then we have at least 3 years of advantage, which is a lot. Eliminating friction creates tremendous value always. For EVs in particular, our new gears raise efficiency by massive 8%, meaning our gears' energy losses are 1/8 of the conventionals. As a car customer put it, they can kill for as little as 0.5% gain. We give them 8%. Also, EV buyers' number one concern is too short driving range. We give them 2 extra 8%. We save energy in millions of dollars for companies and trillions of dollars for industries. Also CO2 in kilotons and gigatons respectively. We hold back climate warming by a globally significant 6%. We target a gigantic $200 billion market, all machines, all vehicles, all non-vehicles alike. Each of these submarkets create new opportunities for us. We chose EVs first for a beachhead that we expect to grow rapidly to massive $150 billion next 10 years. The newly designed EVs result in lower barriers to entry for new technologies like ours. This is a unique window of opportunities for us in just perfect timing. Our competition is predominantly tooth gears, while other technologies are more niche. They are 2000 years old and have no room for further improvement. There are hundreds of gear users and producers in the world, OEMs and suppliers that can be both potential competitors and customers to us. For EVs in particular, our advantages include not only higher efficiency, but also smaller size, lower cost, longer life, and longer driving range. We combine two business models. In one, we are selling the technology, including IP licenses and engineering services, making money already. In the other, we are going to produce and sell gears in series, starting up as soon as the required financing is in place. The combined dual model has major synergies and is massively scalable across a large number of markets. We made about 300,000 euros in revenue so far, sold 1 license, 3 gear samples, and 11 designs. We made over 50 free feasibility studies on customer request. See some of the names on the screen. We had the technology at TRL5 validated by several prototype tests. Our investor is Máté Rimak, founder and CEO of a unicorn EV startup, often dubbed as Europe's Elon Musk. We have built up a network of 1,300 companies. We received from them 42 letters of support. We won 350,000 euros in grants, also 20 startup awards in 7 countries, and twice the EU's Seal of Excellence. We have a team of 2 physics PhDs, 3 engineering and 3 business masters, with average 26 years of work experience, working for companies like IBM, Accenture, Oracle, and Morgan Stanley, and also some other engineering firms. We have a full set of skills, including science and engineering, marketing and sales, finance and management. Our advisory board consists of champions in their respective fields, including 4 serial founders, 3 industry experts, and 2 academic professors. They come from companies like Audi, BMW, Rimac, Schaeffler, SKF, and ZF, and universities like Aachen and Munich in Germany, Cranfield in the UK, and UC Davis in the US. Our financial roadmap starts with raising a seed round this year to bring up our TBM technology business to recurring license revenues. More details next slide. We plan a Series A round in 3 years to scale up TBM and start up PBM, our production business. Using a Series B round in 6 years, we will grow TBM further and start mass production in PBM. In about 10 years, we want to reach unicorn valuation of 1 billion euros. A Series D round at that point will be used to scale up PBM with a number of new products in production and then lead us to an IPO in about 15 years. Note, the cross-financing between TBM and PBM may very well reduce our funding need and even eliminate some of the funding rounds. Also note, PBM will keep running on the back of our technology and thus maintain high profitability and high margins. We are fundraising 3 million euros in the current round now to support a specific 2-year project. We know exactly where we will spend the money from day one. We will work closely with some of our existing EV customers to develop for them TRL8 gears ready to market. We are convinced that they will buy the licenses and finance the continued projects beyond the 2 years. Finally, exits. While we have an overall trajectory towards IPO, the unique versatile nature of our business allows for an exceptionally large number of early exit opportunities. These can come from strategic acquisitions from a large number of machine industries and also from financial investors like VCs, CVCs, Ps, and so on. So here we go. Join us to change the machine world. It is about time after 2,000 years. Thank you very much.